Hello students, good morning. Yes, how are you all? Hope you are enjoying the new chapter of refusal to say no to anything. Yes, right? So what is the rule which we have learnt in this chapter is, am, are plus not plus the verb. Do, does, did plus verb plus not plus the verb. When do we use did? We use did in the past tense, right? Now, in continuous tense. Now that we'll move further to question number C, and question number C of your fancy book, and this exercise is of simple continuous tense, present continuous tense, right? मतलब हमारा काम चल रहा है. Now, the first sentence, he is flying a kite. वो पतंग उड़ा रहा है. अभी काम चल रहा है. ing का मतलब होता है काम चल रहा है. It is in process. It is continuing. So, my answer will become he is not flying a kite. वो पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा है. Right? Very simple. Next, she is driving a scooter. Next, she is driving a scooter. So my answer becomes she is not driving a scooter. Simple. Number 3. They are playing chess. They are playing chess. Answer. They are not playing chess. They are not playing chess. So children, hope things are very clear to you, and I'm sure that you have no doubt in this. By the way, complete your work, and even if you have doubt, I am always there to help you, right? So you can complete your work. What is written on the board? He is flying a kite. Flying मतलब काम चल रहा है, पतंग उड़ा रहा है. वो पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा. He is not flying a kite. She is driving a scooter. She is not driving a scooter. They are playing chess. They are not playing chess. Right? Okay, let's move further. Yes, number 4. Now, what does my number 4 statement say? We are wandering in the jungle. We are wandering, wandering, wandering in the jungle. हम जंगल में घूम रहे हैं, वॉन्डरिंग. अब जंगल में क्या होता है, कहीं पे भी चलते हैं, कोई हमारा मतलब रास्ता नहीं होता, आसानी से हम पूरे जंगल में कहीं भी घूमते रहते हैं। दैट घूमना इज कॉल्ड वॉन्डरिंग। वी आर वॉन्डरिंग इन द जंगल। सो माई आंसर इज, हम नहीं घूम रहे, वी आर नॉट wandering in the jungle. हम जंगल में नहीं घूम रहे, खत्म, simple, right? And the last one is boys were making noise. What about the girls? The girls never keep quiet. Okay, boys were making noise. So I changed my answer. Boys were not making noise. Boys were not making, तो फिर शोर लड़कियां मचा रही थी, है ना, सारे बॉयज खुश खुश। Boys were not making noise. So all the girls will be punished? No. Leave them. Next time they will not make noise. Okay. So here we finish up with question number C. Now we move on to question number D. Now what does my question number D say? Change the following sentences into negative. Now in this case what you have to do is, let's see now. It is also very simple. Number 1, I have a watch. मतलब मेरे पास घड़ी है। Have जो वर्ड है ये बता रहा है कि मेरे पास घड़ी है। अब इसको नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? I do not have a watch. मेरे पास नहीं है, I do not have a watch, right? So note down children whatever is written on the board, waiting for you to complete. Hope you have completed the work written on the board. Let's move on to the second point of question D. Yes, come on. Let's move on to the second point. And what does my second point say? We have an office in New Delhi. हमारा एक ऑफिस है न्यू दिल्ली में. Have an office in New Delhi. So we plural. So with plural we do not have an office in New Delhi. हमारा कोई ऑफिस नहीं है. We do not have an office in New Delhi. Right? They had a big house. Now this is past tense. They had a big house. अब दे के साथ हम क्या लगाएंगे? डू. और हैड का प्रेजेंट टेंस क्या बन जाएगा? हैड. राइट. सो माय आंसर, दे डू नॉट She has a pet cat. She has a pet cat. She does not have a pet cat. And my last sentence. He had a computer. He had a computer. So my answer is, he is a single person. He does not, had का क्या बन जाएगा? Had. He does not have a computer. उसके पास computer नहीं है. Right? So this is the end of question D. Yes. Shall we move on to the next exercise? That is number E. Yes, question number E. Now what does this question number say? We have to make the given phrase. Phrase मतलब दो शब्दों को sentence नहीं होता है. It does not make a complete sense, but it is a group of words, right? So now let's change the given phrases. Now number 1, I like. मुझे पसंद है. अब यहाँ पे आंसर आप लिख सकते हो अपने मन से. तो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. अब नहीं है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? I do not like. मुझे पसंद नहीं है. डैश जो भी आएगा, है ना. You read. You read. तुम पढ़ो. You do not read. You do not read. तुम पढ़ते नहीं हो. She cried. She cried. Cried. Past tense. She did not cry. वो रोई नहीं. रोई. अब cry. Cried का क्या बन जाएगा? Cry. He will go. He will go. वो जाएगा. वो नहीं जाएगा. He will not go. It lives. It does not live. We have. We have. We do not have. They drank. They drink. They drank. उन्होंने पिया. Drank is past tense, so this will become present tense. They did not drink. उन्होंने नहीं किया. Right? Do this work, children. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Right, shall we move further? Yes? Okay. Okay. Now moving on to question number F. F. Okay. He went to school yesterday. To school yesterday. वो कल स्कूल गया था. था means past tense, and in past tense you have to write did, and the verb becomes present tense. So my answer becomes he did not go to school yesterday. वो कल स्कूल नहीं गया. Right? My sister played basketball with her friends. Second, my sister played basketball with her friends. मेरी सिस्टर ने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बास्केटबॉल खेली. मेरी बहन ने बास्केटबॉल नहीं खेली. प्लेड बता रहा है कि दिस इज पास्ट टेंस, एंड इन पास्ट टेंस वी यूज डिड. सो माय आंसर बिकम्स माय सिस्टर did not play. Played का present tense play. Basketball with her friends. Next, I read a newspaper on a train. I read a newspaper on a train. newspaper. Read and read, the spelling is same, but you have to understand the meaning where it is read and where it is read. I read a newspaper on a train? No. I read a newspaper on a train. I did not read a newspaper on a train. Right? So complete your work, children. Waiting for you to complete. He went to school yesterday. He did not go to school yesterday. My sister played basketball with her friends. My sister did not play basketball with her friends. I read a newspaper on a train. I did not read a newspaper on a train. Hope things have done. You have written down what is written on the board. Let's move further. Okay, the next sentence. They ate lunch at the cafeteria. Number 4. They ate lunch at the cafeteria. Okay. Cafeteria means the canteen. Where in big multi-international companies, they have a cafeteria where people can go, they can have lunch, they can have coffee, they can relax over there. So, they ate lunch at the cafeteria. Now, my answer is, ate is a past tense, right? So, they did not eat, khaya. Eat, khao, ate, kha liya. They did not eat lunch at the cafeteria. It rained last week. It rained last week. Rain is showing that ed, past tense, right? So, it did not rain last week. Right? Now, remaining for homework, page number 23, sentence 6 to 10. Question F. Okay, we have done till 5 and इसके बाद के जो हैं वो आप होमवर्क में करोगे और अगर कोई डाउट आता है तो यू आर फ्री टू आस्क मी, कॉन्टैक्ट मी एनी टाइम. ओके, So children, hope the topic to how to convert a positive sentence into a negative sentence is very clear. Only the thing is you have to see the tense and choose the answer accordingly. Okay? Okay children, bye bye. Complete your work. See you in the next lecture.